Best deals.
1. Citrus Press Juicer. Electric Orange Squeezer extract juice with a slow speed system. It provides the pure taste of fruit. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Blender. Portable juicer blender bottle uses food-grade non-toxic and environmentally friendly PP in ABS materials, has only one button, double-click to start, single-click to stop. It's easy to clean. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Portable blender. Just add the fruits that you want to use in your blender bottle and there you can have your smoothie ready. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Blender. Make breakfast a breeze by adding milk and fruits of your choice for thick and creamy blend and have your breakfast ready in less than 30 seconds anywhere anytime. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Grinder. Each jar comes with an easy-to-hold sturdy handle. Each handle offers a convenient and comfortable grip while using. The handle and lid are made from sturdy unbreakable plastic. Grinder comes with multiple speed settings. Different speeds are suitable for blending, grinding, and juicing different types of ingredients. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cold press. It keeps the cell walls of fruits and vegetables, reduces oxidation, maximizes the retention of nutrition. Made of food-grade BPA-free material, safe and guaranteed, convenient to assemble and operate, and easy to clean. Slow cold press technology, which reduces the heat generated by rapid friction. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Manual juicer. Designed for manually extracting juice from citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and limes, effortlessly squeeze fresh juice with a simple hand press mechanism, ergonomic handle and easy grip design. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Juicer machine. With slow extraction technology, it can preserve maximum nutrients of the fruit and vegetables and extract higher juice yield. The cold press juicer also features an upgraded 7-stage auger that ensures full extraction of the fruits and vegetables. Juicer can perfectly separate the pulp and the juice. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Cold press juicer. Produces juice with minimal oxidation and air bubbles, preserving maximum nutrients and keeping the juice fresh for longer. Its efficient extraction yields drier pulp, ensuring more juice and better nutrient density, as drier pulp indicates a higher juice yield and enhanced health benefits. Create not just fresh fruit and vegetable juices but also nut milks, fruit gelatos, sorbets, and smoothies. It includes 3 specialized strainers, comes with a reverse spin function to clear any stuck particles while juicing for 100% juice extraction. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cold press juicer. Juice with minimum waste and less oxidation retaining maximum nutrients, even the heat-sensitive vitamins. Prepare nut milk easily from almond, cashew, coconut, etc. With the Balzano Slow Juicer drink your health portions from leafy vegetables. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Portable blender. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits in your backpack, gym bag, or car cup holder. With a powerful 4000 mAh battery, it can be fully charged in just 3 to 5 hours via Type-C charging. Enjoy the convenience of blending your favorite drinks anytime, anywhere. Experience the freedom of portable blending. Juices is made of BPA-free, eco-friendly, food-grade and non-toxic PCT material. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Portable blender. Comes with the sensor for kids so blades won't be spin until jar is locked completely. The lights turns red while charging and blue once full charged. Lightweight design is easy for you carry it to school, office, parks, camping, anywhere you want to, and it also convenient. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Portable blender. Take your blending to the next level with the turbo mode feature. This allows you to blend extra tough ingredients, control the texture of your smoothies and shakes, delivering short bursts of power at the touch of a button. Perfect choice for post-workout protein shakes, energizing smoothies, or refreshing hydration on the move. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Frother. Hand blender with chopper is powerful, easy to use, and of great quality. It is designed to blend smoothies, protein shakes, and whipped cream effortlessly. Perfect for mothers, families, and wives who need a convenient kitchen tool. It can be used to chop vegetables and fruits, make milkshakes, chop meat, and create garlic and ginger paste. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Portable blender. Crafted using premium materials, guaranteeing durability and long-lasting performance. Feel the superior quality that sets us apart from the rest. Perfect for daily use and outdoor adventures. Designed to make your life easier, healthier. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Portable blender. Made from high borosilicate glass for the mixing cup and durable ABS plastic for the lid and body, this blender ensures long-lasting use and safety. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Tea maker. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Slow juicer. Has a 7-segment spiral masticating system that can fully squeeze the fruits and vegetables and can perfectly separate the juice from the pulp. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Portable blender. Equipped with safety features such as built-in safety lock and an automatic shut-off mechanism to ensure safe and worry-free blending. With a detachable jar, cleaning is much easier. Easy to charge by regular socket, power bank, laptop. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Portable blender. Bottle is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. Now you can blend and enjoy your favorite smoothies, protein shakes, or fruit juices anywhere. You can whip up a nutritious drink in seconds, giving you more time to spend with your loved ones or tackle that endless to-do list. Easily incorporate fruits, veggies, and other wholesome ingredients into your daily routine. Experiment with new recipes and enjoy your own unique creations. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Portable blender. Turn over the juicer for 45° or 180° to release the cutter head. Press the switch button and wait until the cutter head rotates, then adjust it back to the right position. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Rechargeable blender. Comes with 350 ml borosilicate glass jar that can be used as a juicer bottle to store your delicious smoothies in leak-proof sealed lid, make instant baby foods, soft vegetable juice, nutritional smoothies, tomato puree, cold coffee, protein milkshakes, and perfect for gym. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Portable blender. Feature powerful motors and ultra-sharp blades that effortlessly pulverize fruits, veggies, and ice, delivering silky smooth smoothies. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Blender. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Citrus juicer. Professional AC motor with 350 W power helps to obtain maximum juice quickly. The pressure lever juicer gets more juice effortlessly without getting your hands dirty. Automatic startup by simply pressing the cone with the fruit. The lever is made of aluminum with rubber grip. Includes a stainless steel filter and a filter with adjustable pulp regulator. It has 2 cones of different sizes suitable for all types of citrus fruits. Juice oranges, lemons, grapefruit, citron, limes. Its spout has 2 different positions, one that allows the juice to be stored in the 0.65-liter tank and another that offers continuous direct pouring into the glass. The mouth designed with anti-drip system. The juicer is fully removable juicer for easy cleaning. Its parts are dishwasher safe and BPA free. Product link is given in the 25th link. Thanks for watching.